Hey guys, good morning to you. It's Kilby Browne with the Property Hats New York City Team. Hope all is well. Hope you are having a fantastic day. Coming to you from Bryant Park in New York City, the capital city, the crossroads of the world. Monday morning, a little after 9, August 10th. And yes, kind of feels like a Saturday morning. You see some people out, you see some cars. But in a lot of buildings, a lot of these office buildings kind of look like the lights are dimmed. I'm sure there are a limited amount of people that are able to go in, depending on the building management, maybe a quarter of the essential personnel. Depending on the building, things are strange, but I guess they are strange all over the place. So I just wanted to come at you and give you a little shout. If you need anything to do in New York City, we're here. Marizette and I are here for you. All the best. Have a blessed day. Good week. Talk to you soon. Bye.